I started doing mentalism at the age of 9. I struggle calling it a gift. Kasi hindi ko nakikita yung purpose. Kasi kung may gift ka tapos hindi mo naman alam yung purpose mo, what are you? Are you just a dancing monkey, a performer? Nothing wrong with being a performer. Nothing wrong with that. But of course, sa haba ng ginagawa mo, sa tagal mong ginagawa, you also start questioning, am I just a performer? So, meaning, okay, nabali ko yung kutsara, so what? So effing what, right? Nung pumasok yung spirituality dun sa life ko, that was the time that I realized na gift nga siya kasi may nakita ko na yung purpose.
Through the spirituality aspect.
Diba? So, pilay siya nung umpisa. Albeit, I was good at my craft. I would like to believe I still am. But, syempre, nung pumasok na yung purpose.